Experience the perfect blend of efficiency, performance, and versatility with the 2023 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Designed for those who seek adventure without compromising on fuel economy, this SUV delivers an EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon combined, ensuring fewer stops at the pump and more time on the road. Toyota, powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, the RAV4 Hybrid boasts a combined 219 horsepower, providing responsive acceleration and a smooth driving experience. Standard all-wheel drive enhances traction and control, adapting seamlessly to various terrains and weather conditions. If you're seeking a reliable, efficient, and capable SUV, the 2023 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is ready for you. Visit High River Toyota today for a test drive or contact us now for more details.